This is an unboxing of Gaffrey art material, the thick paint that I just adore. Comes in a box very quickly after the time you order it. It's within a couple days usually that it gets to you. I think I like their packaging. It's so much recyclable. All this paper. I think I accidentally ordered double the white that I thought I was getting. Oh, I like they always have a sticker in there, which I have put a sticker on my hippie dress. And anyhow, I think I ordered double the white, but that is okay because I will use it. White and clear, and then I got some black, but all of that is the white. The white and the clear are the least expensive of what they have, and so I will often coat the outside of a piping bag with a color, and then just put the white or clear inside it. And then get down to the clear, which is good when you want a more intense color. You can mix in a darker color with the clear. Love this paint. It's good stuff. Great company.